Hello everyone, I am Mayuri and today I am going to discussing with you one topic that is today I am going to discussing one system that is the respiratory system. Then what is the respiratory system? Respiratory system means which is it is the process for the exchanging of the gases, means that is the entering of the oxygen and removal of the carbon dioxide. This process is called the respiration. Then it is also known as the process of the it is the breathing process, and there are some organs are contained in this respiratory system, like nose, mouth, then pharynx, larynx. Pharynx is also this part is also digestive system and also of the respiratory system. Then pharynx, larynx, then trachea, bronchioles, alveoli, lungs. These are the some parts of this respiratory system. Then what is the function of this respiratory system? The main function of the respiratory system to the exchange of the gases, that is the entry of the oxygen into the body and removal or excrete out of the carbon dioxide from the body. Then what is the there are some means then also for this respiratory system is also helping the regulation of the pH of the pH in the lungs, and also in the process of the removal of the some heats and water, and also helping the for the sensation organs like smell. It's also helping the smell as like a sensation organs. Then also the larynx part of this respiratory system, which is helping the feces production, means it is also known as the feces box. Then pharynx also helping the passage of the air. Then what is the process of this breathing? Breathing is also known as the pulmonary or ventilation, or respiration. Then there are two types of this respiration: is inhalation and excretion. Then inhalation means entry of the oxygen, and excretion means removal of the carbon dioxide. Then also there are this respiratory system is divided into two types. Is the first one is the conducted zone, and second one is in the respiratory zone. Conducted zone means there are passage of the means carry of the oxygen molecule from one place to another place. That means from the mouth to the larynx, pharynx into the trachea, bronchioles. And then what is the respiratory means there is the actual respiration occurs, means where respiration occurs means respiration occurs in the lungs and trachea, bronchioles. There are actual respiration is occurs. Then what is the then there are two different types of this two different types of this respiratory system is the upper respiratory system and lower respiratory system. In upper respiratory system, there are some parts are consist like nose, mouth, nasal cavity, mouth, then pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi are in the lower respiratory tract. Then first we have to see upper respiratory tract. First we have to see first one is the nasal cavity. Then what is the nasal cavity? Nasal cavity means it is the divided into two septums. First, these two nasal cavity having also means there are moisten means help of this nasal cavity to moisten and warm up the water and air, and this also help to the filtration of the air. This is the main function of this nasal cavity. Then pharynx. Pharynx means it is the pathway for passage of the airs in the respiratory system, and in the digestive system, pharynx also work for the passage of the food. And then larynx, it is also known as the voice box, because it help to the production of the voice. Then second type of this respiratory system is the lower respiratory system, which is contains the trachea, then bronchi, diaphragm, alveoli. Then first we have to see the what is the trachea. Then trachea, it is also known as the windpipe. It is also help in the passage of the air to the lungs. And also this trachea also contains some hair-like structure, that is the cilia, which is help to the entrap of the some dust particles and filtration of the air. This is the main function of this trachea, cilia. Then second part of this lower respiratory tract is the bronchi. Bronchi, it is the divided into two parts, and this bronchi also having then second part is the bronchioles. Bronchioles means these are the small number of the bronchioles, and the function of these two bronchioles is to it leads to the alveoli, means their outside present means alveoli are present and outside of this bronchioles. Then what is the alveoli? Alveoli means it is the smaller air sac, which there is also exchange of the gases occurs. And then lungs. What is the function of the lungs? There is the actual respiration is occurs in the lungs. Then diaphragm. Diaphragm is the most important. It is the in the dome shape, which is help into the it is these muscles which help to the expanding and contraction of the muscles for the in and push out of the airs. This is the main function of this diaphragm. Then thank you.